So I am back, and I'm just gonna, I was at this part where I had these two folds, and this next part is tricky, so I'm just gonna show you. You take this part and push it in, like that. So now, it was a mirror fold, so now it looks like this. And do the same thing with the other side. Take it and push it in. So now, it looks like that. And now you take it and fold it down like any other paper airplane. And just fold it and crease like that and open it back up. And you take this bottom flap thing and fold it up. So now it looks like that. So it looks like this. And you're gonna take the flap and fold it to the other side and keep repeating that about 4 times. So I'm just gonna do that. And after you do that, you're supposed to tear it off, but I'm not good at that, so I'm just gonna cut it with these scissors. So I'm just gonna cut. So if you're not good at tearing, just cut along the line that you made by folding. And there, now you have this little scrap here. And you're gonna fold this plane in half, the part of the plane, and put it to the side, and take the flap, and you're gonna fold it in half, which is a little hard because it's small.
I swear I
And my camera's gonna black out on me again. This camera's not good, so I'm just gonna make another part. See ya.